Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use Calendly with your marketing team. Meetings, demos, and campaigns become much easier when the whole team is aligned and using the same scheduling system. Let's go through it step by step. On the Calendly dashboard, click the Create button. You will find it on the left or the right side of the screen. Either one works the same way. Go ahead and click that Create button. Next, select the group option since we will be meeting with everyone on the team. Then select Team Meeting. For the duration, click and choose how long the meeting should be. For the location, select Zoom. We can also set our availability, for example from 9 to 5. Next, we can set a limit on how many people can join, for example 7 or 10. If we want to add hosts, simply check the names we want to include. Then click Create. Take a moment to read the note on screen. Once we are here, click Copy Link and send it to the team. Now everyone can join the meeting at the scheduled time and day. And that is how we use Calendly with the marketing team. With the right setup, we can simplify scheduling, improve communication, and keep the whole team on the same page.